Hi, I'm Sai Coppola. I head up marketing at SheerID, and this is Rory Everett, my colleague. About 25 years ago, I moved to this country as a student. And like many of you who were in college, I still remember the struggles financially I had and how desperately I wanted a credit card. But no one would give me a credit card. Even though the fact is I would have been a very profitable customer after graduation, none of the financial institutions were willing to give me a credit card while I was in college. 25 years have gone by, and things haven't changed that much. There are over 1 million international students in the United States, 21 million college students in the US, over 200 million college students globally. And this is the Gen Z audience we all want to acquire, and many of them don't have credit history or little credit history. So imagine you can create a compelling offer or a product based on future potential of that consumer, what we can do together. So where does SheerID fit in? SheerID is a digital verification software as a service that enables marketers acquire consumers through exclusive gated offers, targeting specific segments, students, teachers, military, variety of different segments. We are a Series B funded company out of Portland. And we have, over the last 6 years, we honed our technology in e-commerce space, where the focus is acquisition of customers with minimal friction and minimal fraud. So when Spotify does 50% off discount to students, or T-Mobile gives half off family plans for the military, or Nike does a compelling offer for students, we are the underlying technology that verifies instantly if that person is a student or a teacher or a military veteran, all hitting authoritative first-party data sources. So today we'll walk you through 2 demo scenarios. The first one is a student getting a credit card online, and the second one is active duty military personnel trying to get a home improvement loan. Going to the first one here. So Rory is going to, a future bank here is offering an exclusive student credit card to college student. Rory is going to play the role of a freshman who's trying to apply for credit cards. He has looked at a variety of options. He likes adventure because of the exclusive benefits it's offering. What we are doing here is we are pre-qualifying. We're taking basic information like first name, last name, university, and date of birth. And when he verifies his student status, instantly we are hitting a variety of authoritative data sources. In this particular case, we're hitting the college registrar's data. And coming back and say, yes, this person is a student. Now he or she has been pre-qualified, and now they can go to the next part of the process, which is the rest of the application process. The sub-second we take, we are hitting very authoritative data source with explicit consent of the consumer, as you can see here. Now, most successful innovations are transparent to the end user. So as you can see in this case, we are an API. We can be completely embedded in your brand experience. So we just covered a first demo, which was about verifying somebody is a student or not. We do similar type of verifications for military, teachers, employment, small business, and etc. So the second one we're going to talk about is the use case here is Rory is going to play the role of active duty naval officer. He's looking for a small home improvement loan. And similar to the last use case, he's going to fill up some information like first name, last name, date of birth, branch of service. Now, in this particular case, when he One of the things when it hits the verify status, we are actually hitting 13 different military databases. Because it is with the explicit consent of the consumer, we're actually able to hit a variety of databases, including the Department of Defense, and return back a status saying they've been verified. Now, military-specific offerings enable financial services to not only honor the military service, but also create compelling products that are that cater to the unique needs of military life. So there are, and if you're familiar, there are 37 million members of the military in the United States. That includes active duty, veterans, and retirees and military families. So it's a pretty attractive segment. I want to give you a quick view of the SheerID platform, the SaaS platform in the backend. So we just talked about the military program, the loan program. This enables the program owner to look in the background and see, okay, how many loans have been issued? What is the conversion rate? What's the average loan rate? What's the likely fraud we've prevented? That just gives you a snapshot of what we can do in the background. So as I wrap up, take a moment to imagine how you can use this kind of identity attributes, somebody's student status or somebody's employment status, to deliver compelling products to your customers. So for all the marketers in the room, we are all the way in the back there. Feel free to come and talk to us more about what we can do for you. Thank you.